Hi, welcome to podcast 5. Here's why. So, whole podcast series is created under Indian Film Project in association with Podcast Lab and Anchor by Spotify. So, this is the last episode of this series, episode number 20, season 1 of podcast series Why. So, in this whole podcast series, we have the question related to why, and I have answered according to my experience, my thoughts, and my research I have done through internet, and the thinking I believe that people should be aware of, or they implement in their life. So in this episode 20, the question is why I created why means why I created this podcast series why. So the main reason, and I am so thankful for the Indian Film Project and their product podcast lab, which is associated with Anchor by Spotify. So was a great initiative by Spotify and Anchor, a podcast app which made too much easy for the integration with my podcast with Anchor and Spotify. And Indian Film Project made me to be able to learn about podcast and make about podcast. Yes, my podcasts are always raw, and yes, in this podcast I am also in this episode I am also covering why I created this whole series in terms of raw format. So I believe that to convey my thoughts, what I believe and what I'm trying to get you learn or to implement in your life, it is best to make in the way like you are talking to your best friend, or someone is you are only listening and your best friend is teaching or guiding you in some way. So I am not doing it as a podcaster, I am doing that I am like a best friend for you, the listener, irrespective of your gender, your caste or religion, anything else. You can just close your eyes, listen to my podcast. Yes, it is raw format, it could be difficult if you have dealing with the great content in outside the other for other podcasts, but if you focus on the audio or the word I am saying, you can be easily grab it instead of getting diverted from the beats I have added. Yes, in episode number from episode 8 to this episode 20, maybe there are some low beats, but I have tried to keep the beats as low as that it could not distract your mindset or your thinking or what I want to make you learn or think. So my other season could be related to any subject or anything else. Yes, I have started, this was my first time to do a podcast. I will continue this, or even it is possible that I can bring Hindi version of this in season 2. So feel free to correct me in any episode. If you have any correction, feel free to add anything that, because the adding anything or your comment can be beneficial for other listeners too, and for me too. I can also read them and I can be benefited from them, and you can be benefited from other comments, and others can be benefited from your comment. So let's make a better society with the just a small gesture by doing a comment. And why I have created this, because I had too many thoughts and too many things to convey to the people, but I am introvert, so I am unable to convey these things through a video or reel or shorts. So instead of facing a camera, I thought it would be a great Indian Film Project made me aware of that podcast and podcast thing, that this is going to be a future for it. And when Indian Film Project made me this realize, and their realization made me to say that the things I wanted to convey through a short film or short video or anything else, I can convey them through a short podcast. Why not? So, and then after doing too much thinking, I got to at the point that I always listen to only my best friend and his or her voice only, so that I don't focus on their expression, what they want to convey. I only focus to the word, what they want me to learn or what they want to me understand. So I did this podcast series in the similar way, and tried to convey my thoughts and thinking that can be beneficial for you in your life in any way. If you think anywhere I am wrong, so feel free to correct me. I always want to learn and explore new things, but being an introvert kind of personality, I won't think that I would be able to deal with the high crowd or many people to learn something. So it would be beneficial to be getting knowledgeable through comment section too, and through other podcasts. And if you want anything else which you think my thinking could be in different way in that topic, feel free to add those topics. I would be covering them in other season of like season 2, and I'm not discontinuing this. I would be continuing this whole series not only in the name of why. I can be more creative. I would try to explore many things and create too many episodes and too many seasons which can be beneficial for the society, for your betterment. And that can be add on for your life, which can be beneficial for you in any way. So thank you for listening, and thank you for staying if you are from episode 1 to 20, and if you have not done from that to always at least listen episode 1 to 7. They are the mainly episode I always wanted to be serving to the society. So they have a great framework also, which I have thought to be creating a short film on. So due to less resources and less time, I was unable to do it. So let's close this whole podcast series, season 1 podcast, with my introduction. So I think this is the first time anyone is adding the introduction in the end, but I am doing this because I don't wanted to make the introduction in the first part or anything else by which people could not connect with me. I wanted to be in the last, so that people should only take me as their best friend, not to imagine some kind of personality or some kind of influencer or anything else. So what I am is I am mainly from Satna, Madhya Pradesh, India, and I mainly do all kind of work from home. It is also freelancing job or entrepreneurship. I have two startup, one e-commerce, one app-based startup. E-commerce startup is Infinity Trend, and app-based startup is Infinity Verse. So you may have listened this in episode 8, 9 and 10 that I made this whole scenario in Infinity Verse. So Infinity Verse is my imaginary virtual universe, or the universe which is out of scam. Here in Infinity Verse, every services is not to make a financial or monetary benefits. It is just because to serve the society in a better and effective way, beneficial way. My financial and monetary benefits are fulfilled from my jobs. I do 9 jobs in parallel. I am mostly in terms of teaching, and I am associated with 9 companies with teaching sector, and I am associated with Microsoft UK for technical support for Windows 11 and Windows 10. So my monetary benefits are getting fulfilled by there. So I made this kind of non-profit Infinityverse, which is a virtual universe. After that, Metaverse came, so I launched it at Infinityverse in 2019-20. So and apart from that, I am former ambassador of many IITs, NITs and government colleges, private and international institutes or companies which I thought I should be representing in my city, so that people can be aware of their services, what they serve to the society. So and if I found anything beneficial, I get associated with it, and it doesn't matter how much they are paying to me, or it doesn't matter how much I would be getting benefited from it. But I think I always focus on what can be beneficial for others who are in my network or who are in my surrounding from their services. So if it is free, I try to make it available for as many as people I can. If it is paid, I try to make it available in as low as I can. So that's all about me, and you can check about me through Google also. You can search for Nikhil Soni, Mr. Infinity. Mr. Infinity is a self-made name that I gave to myself, but if you search only Mr. Infinity, you may not find anything. If you search only for Nikhil Soni, you may lead to another person. So if you don't find my profile links in my bio of this podcast series, you can always read in searching Nikhil Soni, founder of Infinityverse, or Nikhil Soni, Mr. Infinity, or Nikhil Soni, Infinityverse. These all kind of keywords put in together to the any search, Google search, Bing search, or Yahoo search, or anything, or DuckDuckGo even, you can find about me in Google too. So if you think anywhere I can upgrade myself and think can be beneficial for me, feel free to comment. If you think anything can be corrected, what I have served in any of my episode, feel free to correct me. That can be beneficial for everyone. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for everything. Let's create a better society. Thank you.